Grüß dich, wie geht's? Hoffentlich gut. Wir sind nochmals bei Modul 3, Lektion 3. Was gibt es im Fernsehen? But before we are starting with the textbook, we are looking at some important things that we need to know before we start with the lesson. So today we are going to learn the official time in German. Okay? It will be really fun. Let us start. Now let us see how to tell different times in German in an official setting. What do you mean by official setting? Official setting is at airports, at railway station, or in important mails also. They always follow 24-hour clock. Why? To avoid confusion. There has to be no confusion morning or evening, nothing. If you follow 24-hour clock, it is already clear whether the mentioned time is for morning or evening. That is the purpose. Okay? Die offizielle Uhrzeit. The official time. Noch einmal. Die offizielle Uhrzeit. The official clock in German always follows 24-hour clock. Okay? So after 12 o'clock in the noon, we go on with 13, 14, 15 until 24. I hope you know that already. Okay? So the question you ask when you need to know the time is wie spät ist es? Oder wie viel Uhr ist es? Okay? Noch einmal. Wie spät ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Means what is the time? And the answer is always es ist dash Uhr. It is dash Uhr. Okay? So whatever the time is, that we will put in the dash. Okay? Very simple. So first we will learn the times in the morning. That is starting from midnight till 12 o'clock in the noon. Okay? So first one will start from left hand side. Es ist 1 Uhr. Now this one is at night. 1 a.m. at night. Es ist 1 Uhr. According to the official time. Es ist 3 Uhr. Es ist 6 Uhr. Es ist 8 Uhr. And es ist 10 Uhr. You can go on for every time. Simple. Correct? Just say es ist, then the number and then Uhr. Okay? This is same for 1 to 12 in the morning. But now, let us see what happens if we want to tell a time afternoon. Okay? So here I have the same timings that we saw in the last slide, but now they are in the evening. Okay? Or after 12 o'clock in the noon. Again, we'll start from left hand side. Es ist 13 Uhr. Correct? So after 12, you do not go back to 1. You tell the next number until 24. So next number is 13. So one is called as 13 or 13. This one is in the afternoon. Es ist 15 Uhr. In the afternoon again. Es ist 18 Uhr. Now it is evening. Es ist 20 Uhr. Es ist 22 Uhr. Okay? So the time in between also you can say randomly on your own now. It is very simple. Suppose 2 o'clock. If it is at night, you will say es ist 2 Uhr. But now if it is in the afternoon, you will say 14 Uhr. Es ist 14 Uhr. Correct? Simple. Great. So till now we have learned the exact times. Exact times in the sense when the minute hand was on 12. Now let us see if the minute hand goes to 3, 6, 8 or whatever. Okay? Again we'll start from left hand side. Now all these in this slide are am Morgen. In the morning, that is 1 o'clock at night till 12 o'clock in the noon. Okay? So first one is es ist 2 Uhr 30. So how to tell? First tell the hours, that is 2. Then you say Uhr. and then you tell the minutes. Now here in the first picture 30 minutes have passed, so we say 30. 2:30. So the word Uhr should come in between. Es ist 6:15. Correct? 6 o'clock and after that 15 minutes. So 6:15. Uhr should come in between. Next one below 8:45. Es ist 8:45. Correct? So 8 and 45 in between you put Uhr. Next one. Es ist 4:20. Correct? Es ist 10:40. Es ist 7:24. So it does not mean that it will always be on some exact number. Even if it is in between somewhere, you can tell the exact time by telling the exact number. As simple as that. Es ist 7:24. So if you see, the minute hand is on 24. That is one block before 5. Okay? So es ist 7:24. 24. Es ist 11:43. So here also it is in between somewhere. So es ist 11:43. So it is very, very simple. First tell the hours, then you say Uhr, and then the minutes. It can be anything from 1 to 60. The odd ones also. Now I have the same times over here, but now they are after 12 o'clock in the noon. Okay? So let us start from left again. It is 2:30. So now 2 we have to write as 14. Es ist 14:30. So the minutes don't change, but the hour will change. Next one, es ist 18:15. Now 6 we will write as 18. Correct? The minutes will remain the same, 15. Es ist 20:45. Correct? 8 will be written as 20. Es ist 16:20. 4 is written as 16. Minutes remain the same, 20. Es ist 22:40. 10 is written as 22. So es ist 22:40. Es ist 19:24. 7 is written as 19. Es ist 23:43. Correct? So it is very, very simple. Tell the hour, then you say Uhr, and then the minutes. If the minute hand is at 12, don't have to say minute also. Okay? Very simple. Just you have to pay attention to the 24-hour clock. So now you can tell the time of any time based on this official timings. Correct? Great.